Jeremy Angel. Welcome to my first cinematic vlog video. I'm going to talk you through the points of this video about my first experience with Carnival Cruise Line and also my first experience being outside of the country. So the date was December 31st. It took a little while to get our rooms, but once we did, I kind of mostly just chilled in my room, unpacked my equipment, got dressed because they were going to do a countdown on the boats in the middle of the Gulf. But I woke up the next day, got an early start, and as you probably will see in this clip here, that there were some immigrants that were stranded out in sea. Luckily, Carnival Cruise was there and was able to get these people on board safely. After a day at sea, we decided to head to Key West, which was our first stop. Shortly after Key West, we started heading our direction over to Freeport, which was our first stop in the Bahamas. Freeport was fun, and we had a great tour with some of the beaches and some caves. But after that, we headed on our way over to Half Moon Cay.
It's so cold when you're dreaming. It's so cold when you're under and wanna roll back to yesterday. It's so cold when you're dreaming. It's so cold when you're under and wanna roll back to yesterday.
That's what I call it.
Is it cold when you're dreaming? Is it cold when you're under? I wanna roll back to yesterday. Is it cold when you're dreaming? Is it cold when you're under? I wanna roll back to yesterday.
So, not every trip is always perfect, and I did have some complications on my last stop in Nassau Bay. I was unable to get certain footage that I wanted to get for this part of the cruise, and I came up short on that. So I grabbed whatever footage I could get, and I checked out some of the areas nearby. Really couldn't give you the names if I could tell you now, but I would just say that I plan to do better for the next video, and I hope you've been enjoying this video so far. And I decided to make a small little clip at the end of this video for you, and I hope it really brightens someone's day. That's what I aim to do, is to inspire people to travel as much as possible. And like I said, I hope you enjoy it. Here you go.
I just wanna know what's good with you. After all them things I've been through with you, still the same. I can't behave. No, I can't let it go. I know what they say, and I don't give a fuck who's claiming her. I could say everything without saying one word. I need your heart, I need your soul. All that you got, I need it all. Baby, to work. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Put in work right now, right now, right now. Put in work right now, right now. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's mine when you go down. Right now, right now. I know you wanna fuck right now, right now. Ooh, right now. I know you're looking for a bigger one.